This is Mr. Miller. He owns a machine construction company. Mr. Miller is very successful because he provides his customers with comprehensive support for his machines. He often sends technicians to do repairs on site, even if it is only a minor problem. However, because he meanwhile has customers all over the world, travel costs have risen greatly. For this reason, Mr. Miller has now gone over to the MB Connect Line's remote maintenance solution. Thanks to MB Connect Line's hardware and software platform, Mr. Miller's technicians now have everything under control from the company site. If a machine belonging to a customer abroad has a defect, the technician receives a text message or an email. He logs into the MB Connect Line portal via PC or smartphone and has a look at what the problem is. He checks the operational details. The defect is quickly discovered and rectified. The machine functions perfectly once more. Technicians can check and optimize all machines via the MB Connect Line portal, no matter where the machines are. Mr. Miller saves on the expensive travel costs which would arise through on-site maintenance. And Mr. Miller's customers are glad that their machines run stably and reliably. MB Connect Line offers safe, remote maintenance of all plants and machines on the system through secure VPN connections, as well as a convenient MB Connect 24 communication portal with central user and machine management and plant monitoring via smartphone. Would you like more information?